Walking down the street and you hear that heavy beat.